Watch how to activate the coming home feature, which lights your path after you exit the car. It's super simple. Step 1. Turn off the ignition. Now here's the key part. Pull the left stalk towards you, just like you're flashing your high beams. Each click adds 30 seconds of light. 1 click is 30 seconds. 2 clicks is a minute, and every additional pull adds another 30 seconds. You can set it for up to 180 seconds, which is 3 full minutes of light. As you can see, the car is now illuminating the path at the front and rear. The lights will turn off automatically after the selected time. Stylish and safe. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Alfa Romeo hacks. See you on the road!